Up you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pam again with another hair video. So in this video I'm sharing with you guys hair review on a company called LUVMEHAIR.com. So I purchased this hair a while ago. Actually, this is like a repost of this video because I had some copyright issues with YouTube, so I had to take it down. So I'm just showing you the packaging, the cute things, the cute accessories that come along with the hair. And you guys, everything is so cute. Like, look at the packaging, you guys, so pretty. So all these accessories come along inside the box with the actual wig, and with all that also comes a wig cap to make sure your hair is laid, you know what I mean? So let's get into accessorizing and customizing this wig. So outside that cute packaging, this is how the hair is looking, you guys. The texture is so beautiful. So it is 100% virgin hair. It lasts for a year, and the density is 200%, and the length is 14 inches. The weight is 200 grams, and the hair color is 1/30, and you have adjustable straps. You have the combs that come in front, and you have the combs that come in the back, and the lace is Swiss medium, and the lace area is 13 by 6. So I'm just showing you the goodies that this wig is really good. You guys, look at those, all the details. Yeah, I don't want to miss out on anything, on any detail. I just want to make sure I'm giving y'all all the tea, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna get that on the head and making sure that everything is looking good and neat, and just make sure you lay the wig on your hair the right way, because in this video I'm not gonna use any gel because I didn't feel like laying down this hair with some gel because it was laying very good. That is optional. If you want, you can go ahead and add some gel, but I didn't use any gel. And as you can see, that my wig cap is showing, like it has a different color. So we're just gonna fix that in a little bit so that everything is looking perfectly. So combing it, this is how it's looking, pretty. So yeah, to make sure that the wig cap and the lace of the wig is almost my skin tone, I'm gonna add this L'Oreal Paris foundation by the parting, like where I'm going to have my parting, so that it looks kind of like my skin tone. So that's what I'm doing right now, and this is how, yeah, just showing you the way I am gonna make this look nice and natural. So you're gonna need a scissors to cut off your lace. So I started ear to ear to cut off my lace, and as you can see, you just have to go slowly. Make sure you are not cutting off the actual hair, because this hair kind of have like some baby hairs. So you want to make sure you are cutting the lace and not the actual baby hairs or the actual hair. I'm gonna use this Cantu gel mousse. So the purpose of this is to just make sure that my hair is in place. It kind of leaves like a steady finish, like the hair kind of feels like it's nice and it's not going anywhere. It stays in place. And yeah, just use that, and also use the same for the baby hairs. And yeah, so I use the same mousse to just lay down the edges. I literally was having a hard time to lay down the edges, but I was like, girl, you got this. So I used a brush just to lay down the edges. You just have to make it look like natural. You don't have to go all the way extra. Just make it look nice, since you don't have glue around here. So you want to make sure it's looking nice and steady. As long as it's not moving, then so you can use a straightener to just straighten some parts of your hair where you want it to be like very sleek and very laid. You don't have to do this step. This is just optional. I'm just trying to show you that you can actually straighten this hair. And yeah, you can do a lot. You can dye it, you can change the color, you can do a lot with this hair. So just to show you guys what else you can do, you can curl it, things like that. So this is the final look. I really tried, y'all. Considering it's my first time, I really tried, and I think it looks cute, nice for the summer. And you can actually see that it's actually lifting and laying down. Like, I didn't use any glue, so it looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about the hair, and make sure you subscribe and share and like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.